Hello, I'm Link. Today we are going to do some experiments on the cleaning effect of nano mops. There are many types. There are nano sponges made by different manufacturers. There are also nano sponges compressed by different processes, and it comes in different forms, with woolen cloth, scouring cloth, combo melamine. Take a look at it on coarser ground. Just to give you a quick comparison of the cleanliness and durability, test each product on coarser floor tiles. During the cleaning process, will it break or crack, including its degree of wear and tear? Very dirty. This one has wear and tear, but the wear is not very obvious. It will be slightly flatter. There is some wear on the edge. The middle part is well preserved. One trip should be around 8 meters, 12.5 trips, 200 meters. The sponge remains intact. A quarter is used up without any damage. This one is MR. We are going to mop it 12.5 times. This wear is estimated at 10%. The overall shape is well maintained. MJXMR. Made of the same material as the one just, but different manufacturing process. No obvious wear and no flattening. The same 200 meters, with only slight wear on the surface. The whole board is complete. As long as you don't touch sharp objects protruding, theoretically, it will not break or chip. This is an MJXM3. The density will be higher. It is the same as the MR material process. This one's been towed for 100 meters. No obvious wear or damage is seen. This one is harder. This is 200 meters after mopping. From the surface, the wear is very subtle. The edge wear is a little bigger, but the others are not obvious. The entire exterior edge is intact. The wear resistance is quite good. This is DHR. This is raw materials from different manufacturers and the same process. It's almost 100 meters. There is a slight wear on the edge, no obvious wear elsewhere. The whole sponge is relatively complete. The same is 400 meters. Only the corners have some obvious friction marks. The whole middle is kept intact. The degree of wear should be more than 10%. The whole effect is quite ideal. This is a household mop I bought online. The sponge is too thin, pressed down, very hard and inelastic. It's almost halfway through. The whole durability is just fine, but the bumps in the middle are clearly worn off. Overall, these differences are not very large. This one will be a little softer. This is thin. This marble surface is rough, but there are no obvious bumps. Test results of melamine mop sponges.